Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be comparing briefly 3 ALLPOWERS solar panel. If you follow the channel, you've seen I've actually done the individual videos. However, we've still not really been blessed with the perfectly clear sunshine. However, I wanted to do a comparison and see how those panels perform. And the best way, of course, is to do them, guys, is at the same time. What we're going to do, guys, is to wait for a little bit of sunshine to come out, and then we're going to do a comparison. For the sake of the foldable and a flexible panel, I am going to be using the R600 generator because it does have a CM4 connector. However, a really portable foldable panel uses one of the little tiny old little bullet connectors, okay? And unfortunately, this little generator is not seem to be reading as well on the lower emission. So once the sun comes out, I'm going to plug them in. I'm going to see which one works the best. So guys, for the fairness of this video, all panels are lying down flat on the ground. Sun is coming out a little bit again. It's not perfect. However, let's have a look, see what our foldable one brings in. And it is currently taking 85 watts. If we now have a look at the little one here, okay, this one is taking 68. And I'm quickly going to move the generator from this one to that one, and we'll see what that one does. So this one is plugged in. This one is taking, is getting. So this is not really bad. So considering if you actually compare the totally 3 different panels, so we've got the winner technically is this one, but guys, as you can see, this is one of the foldable panels, and it does have a slightly more surface what it looks to actually collect the solar if you wish. However, that one's performing not particularly that bad. Bearing in mind, guys, it's actually made of a tiny little panels which just have a slightly different design and a design for a slightly different purpose. I'm going to be fair, guys, really surprised with both of those in the end, considering we're talking about the 25% efficiency and having a 85% on the 100-watt panel. I think is actually very, very good. As to making the decision, guys, which one is the best, kind of have to leave this decision up to you. They all 3 actually seem to be equally as good, bearing in mind that each of them is actually designed for a totally different purpose. However, let's wait for a second. Let's wait for the sun to go back in and actually see what's happening in the shade. So guys, now the sun has gone down a little bit, so just out of interest, let's have a look, see what are they taking. This is not really bad considering, guys, the sun is actually covered with a cloud. The one on here we are now taking 27, and it's not ideal, but to be fair, we live in UK and it's not really a lot of ideal days where you can actually harvest the full potential. So let's plug this one in and see what that one does. So guys, and this one here is taking 34. So to be fair, it's not a lot of difference between those in the shade, but still the winner clearly I think is one of those. Again, the decision of which one you prefer, it's totally up to you. I have done individual videos what I've gone through and kind of had a look at the closer detail of each and one of those panels. So if you haven't seen this, I put the links down below. Otherwise, guys, yes, make your decision, but I think to be fair, all 3 are really, really good, but I leave the choice up to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.